Authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Hey everybody, temperatures today running a little bit below the norm. Average is 74 this time of the year. We only hit 70 for the high, so a little bit cooler than average there. 90 the record high. We set that back in the year of 1991. We got a little bit of rain here after midnight, but not a whole lot. 0.06 after midnight. Look at this. We're only at 1.31 so far for the month. We're halfway through the month, so half of this number here would be about 2 1/4. So we're running about an inch behind here at the TV station, and I've heard from some of you through social media that you still could need some rain. We got some rain chances for you, some late tonight, tomorrow, and then another chance late Friday, early Saturday. We'll talk about that in a second. River stage in Terre Haute with the recent rain is coming up some, but it's still well below flood stage. It's 7 feet below flood stage there in Terre Haute. So what are we tracking? Well, we've got some rain chances eventually moving in late tonight into tomorrow, mainly the first half of tomorrow. Midweek sun, midweek looks great. And more seasonable temperatures. It was a little bit warm over the weekend, especially on Saturday when we hit 84. Warmest day of the year so far. We won't see that again for a little while, it looks like. 71 at the airport in Terre Haute. Pressure now falling rapidly as we start to see another system headed this way. Temperatures pretty much in the lower 70s. So again, it's pleasant, but it's a little bit cooler than it should be. The reason the pressure is dropping is because there's a low pressure here, which is going to spin up just barely south of us in the next about 18 hours. And that's going to be our next chance of rain. So again, if you need some rain, you got another shot with this system right here as it takes shape and then heads this way. So here's what it looks like. A lot of cloud cover today, but we've had some breaks with a little sunshine off and on. You can see the closest rain that was near St. Louis. So we're all good on the Dorset Automotive Doppler radar, but we take you down to the south and to the southwest, and underneath us here, we have a tornado warning underneath there. There's just a thunderstorm warning, a flash flood warning, so things are pretty active in Missouri. We don't anticipate trouble with severe weather here. That's going to stay south, but some rain chances for us will move in. So here's the timing on that. Nothing for most of the night. It'll be late overnight. So we start to see something as early as maybe 5 o'clock coming in from the south and then advancing up across portions of the air. But most of this will be over fairly quickly. I would say by early afternoon tomorrow. So anytime from late tonight up until early afternoon, and then kind of fades away after that. And then as we get into Wednesday, we're looking good. Actually, it's going to be pleasant. Humidity levels will be down. A lot of sunshine, not a ton of wind. And right into Thursday as well. And I think a lot of Friday. So our first rain chance is late tonight, the first half of tomorrow. Notice this, by Friday night, here comes another front. So Friday night into early Saturday, that's the next chance of rain, but I think it's mostly just early Saturday. Rest of Saturday and Sunday look good, and so does Monday. So overall, things look pretty good with the forecast. Temperatures, again, are going to be a little bit on the cool side, but not bad. Coolest of the air stays to the north of this area, but you will see, once again, these little shots of some cooler air moving in here. This is over the next week. We don't see anything real warm. I think as we get closer to the holiday, Memorial Day weekend, we'll start to see a change with warmer weather. So here's your forecast then for tonight. Rain showers late after maybe 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. 58 for the overnight low. Then for tomorrow, rain showers mostly in the first half of the day, drying up as we get into the afternoon. 71 for the daytime high. And then after that, well, it looks great for midweek. We got a lot of sunshine in here for Wednesday and Thursday. High temperatures in the 70s. I think the showers Friday are late, and they'll be over, I think, early on Saturday. So most of the weekend looks good. Monday looks good as well. Mostly sunny, 78 a week from today. Grant.
Hey, thanks, Jesse. Some big high